Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing books to read in 2023. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Spare through Prince Harry. Two younger princes observe at the back of the coffin in their mom Diana, Princess of Wales. One of the maximum memorable, but harrowing pictures of the 20th century that left the sector questioning what could be subsequent for the two younger brothers. Now, Prince Harry the Duke of Sussex is a man, and is ultimately prepared to inform the tale of his adventure through self-examination, revelation, and hard-gained expertise because the passing of his mom, Princess Diana. 2. All the Dangerous Things through Stacey Willingham. Isabel Drake has now no longer slept in a year. Not on account that her little one son, Mason, become taken out of his crib with inside the midnight at the same time as she and her husband have been sleeping. Isabel is determined to discover her son. In and try to discover new witnesses, she concurs to be on a true crime podcast. When extreme insomnia and wandering from the interviewer begin to convey up uncomfortable memories, Isabel is left thinking the whole thing approximately the night time her son disappeared, however decided to discover the truth. 3. The Survivalists via way of means of Kashana Cawley. Since the dying of her parents, Aretha has best cared approximately one thing: success. As an unmarried black lawyer, she makes a speciality of her dream of creating partner. That is till she meets Aaron, a coffee entrepreneur, and his roommates. Aretha's goals and ethical code are puzzled whilst she movements in with Aaron in his Brooklyn home, and is added to an underground global of doomsday education and promoting guns. 4. The Faraway World through Patricia Engel. In this intimate series of brief tales, we're added to two Colombian expats with stressful pasts who meet in New York City, a Cuban girl who's concurrently handling a lover in from Ecuador for handiest one-night time, whilst figuring out the bones of her brother were stolen, and a hustling couple in Miami who visit life-changing lengths. The Faraway World consists of 10 testimonies from a proficient storyteller, who fantastically showcases the electricity of affection and network in a number of the darkest places. 5. Georgie, All Along through Kate Claiborne. When something sudden forces Georgie Mulcahy return to her place of origin and far from her traumatic activity in LA, she quickly realizes that her profession of placing others first has left her personal listing of want and desires quite blank. So whilst Georgie unearths her antique diary, complete of destiny aspirations, she makes use of it as inspiration. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.